85 lumen long-range 10 LEDs that never need replacing. 45-hour runtime, which is 10 times longer than the incandescent floating lantern EFL 6 VBA. Waterproof lantern floats. 410 feet, 125 meters beam distance. Tray packed for easy display and includes one 6 volts alkaline battery, lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Good 6V lantern. I was hesitant to purchase because of reviews complaining of brightness. But it seems that Eveready and most others have stopped making lanterns that use a 6-volt battery, and those that I did find had more dubious bulbs. Perhaps consumers do not appreciate the merits of those big, clunky 6V batteries that seem to last for years. So I decided to take a chance on this lantern with its 7 LED lights. My lantern gets daily use to check the chicken coop. There is one fool bird that usually is settled in on the roof after the door has automatically closed at night. I have provided a photo of the illumination provided by this lantern. The co-op is 100 plus feet away, the lantern illuminates it, and any chicken on the roof, well. This is with the carbon battery provided with the lantern. I suspect when I switch to a 6V alkaline battery it will be slightly brighter. I bought the old version because it was $1 less than the new version at the time I ordered. As I write this review, I see the price of the old version is almost double that of the new version. An example of strange pricing on Amazon. Whatever. From the photos and descriptions in the listings I can discern no difference between the two, except possibly color, and would buy whichever is less expensive. For an inexpensive 6V lantern, I recommend and would buy this again.